Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to present you this small wax remover kit. So it's actually a wireless kit, wireless device with everything you need to clean your ears, and you actually can see this on the phone what you're doing. I mean, you can use this for other purposes as well. So Argo Well is the company, they are providers of this device, and we're going to take a look what exactly they create. So there's small instruction, everything's quite small, but basically everything's very clear. They explain what tools to use for and so on. We're not going to use any tools, but I'm more than happy to show you everything. So this is barcode to, or QR code, whichever way you want, to download software. So I used one of the old phones that I have found and I charged for these purposes. So I download the program, and we're going to join this. They're asking to connect to Wi-Fi, and let's go ahead and open all this thing and see what we have inside. So inside we do have stainless steel tools. There are such, so the cleaning tool, little cleaning brush, and these scoops and attachments. Let one of our subscribers to have this. For the deal, look it up down in description. The next thing is small attachments. There are plastic attachments for the cleaning, so you can attach them. Why they are plastic? Probably we don't want to hurt your ear. There is a charger cable, and it's actually a newer one. So this device is a fairly new device. So it's USB charger, and here's the device. And let's go ahead and see what it is. It's a nice strong tool. It has a port on the back for the charging. The quality of the material is excellent. Well, let's go ahead and connect this. Since I'm ready to download application, we go to instruction, says to go to wireless and open wireless tools, and now just a simple press, and let's see, the lights is on, and this light is on as well. This is Swear D81 is the device we're connecting to right now. It's connected perfectly. Why don't we create something? Hold on, we'll make it nice and neat. All right, so let's go take a look. It's right here's the camera, and let's go ahead and put it inside. That's a nice little steam. Yeah, you can see, you can clean it, everything out of your ears, just like by shovel, just like that. It's a pretty nice tool. You got it out of the thing and you put it outside. There you go. You got your ear much more cleaner now. Oh, look at that little bag right there. I wish that to be in the ear. Okay, the battery is dying. To the charger, and it's actually, I can work while it's plugged. Well, this guy still lives here. I gotta show this to my wife, because she's eat these peaches no time. Oh my goodness. Everyone just make sure you see this. Let's see who lives inside the apple. Oh, I have to clean all this mess. Jeez. All right. There's in South Carolina, everywhere there are creatures. They're nearly everywhere. There's nothing over here. You can see what the skin look like. It's a very good quality camera. Let's see, this is something, we'll have to go inside this, open this a little bit and just go sneak inside, probably, I would say. Probably nobody, but it's good to know. The next subject is going to be this large vintage watch. Let's go ahead and start doing this. We'll see what's inside our. There is a motor. Oh, it's electronic watch, so there's a battery in here as well. That's nice. This is a radio. Okay, everybody knows what radio is. This is old CD radio. Let's make the zoom out. Just like this. Detachable CD radio. We'll just go inside this port right now. Very good quality. And the transmission of the video is fast. Let's go take a look at my clean fingers. I'm cleaning my and washing my hands every day. And let's see my skin. That's the hair of the skin. Yeah, I don't really have much of a skin or hair. That's pretty cool. How about my watch? Oh Lord, let's take this out. Give me just a moment. You can see small details. Oh, there you go. I never know to say something on it. Oh, it says very small. Let's read that. It's shining, but automatic, 200 meters underwater, water resistant. And of course, this one is mechanism that is wind up by itself. Very nice. Let's see what else we can take a look. Just a moment. I have a little penny over here. Liberty is a 10-cent penny. Yeah, it's actually camera set to see it like from here. If you go far away, it's not automatically. I would say, let's take a look. One of my fingers. Fingerprint. See, I'm about 1 inch away from the end of the tip. Now I'm getting close to it, and right here I'm touching the tip. So I would say you can actually even pull small objects from your fingers with this device. Wow. Well, I found this little segment on my door. Let's go ahead and take a look what it is. It actually was dead, maybe. That is pretty neat to see such a things. Amazing. Another thing I would like to try is get this paper and let's experiment on it. We're going to sneak right through probably somewhere here, I would say, and we'll see what this inside look like. I'm gonna make this hole a little bigger, and there you go. We are, let's see if it's all still clean. Yep, we are inside paper, so you can see what's inside paper. You can steal one of those seeds from the paper and take it outside, and you can grow little peppers. That's pretty neat. Quality of the camera is perfect. It's actually orange paper, and whatever is paper, whatever this thing is doing in there, it's seeing everything. So we get out of the paper right now. Yeah, this is orange paper. Amazing what this equipment can do. I assume you can simply go on like this and call it good. While we play here, we get very dark outside, and I do have a few items I want to take a look with you. One of them is gold chain that I get from one of the storages, and this is a very nice chain. It's pendant, and of course you have to get very close in order to see something on it. From far away is impossible to see. So let's see, right here it says on it 55 CK. It's actually Italian vintage one. Very nice Italian item. Let's go ahead and take a look. This is actually ring with a stamp on it, which is probably say gold. Let's see if we can see those small rings. There you go, right there. You have to hold it strong because it's like shaking, you know. You can't really shake this thing. There you go. It's a custom silver. So 50. Someone is a. It was 50. It was given to someone when she was 50. Very nice green emeralds. And I got some more silver here, and that's what it looks like when you get close to it. Chains. Yeah, very interested. So let's see, this is the gold one, I think. It just says gold on it. 10 karat gold. Yeah, the good, you can see better when you are right at this point. If you go far away, there's no automatic adjustments, so it's basically set to see. Basically, when you scoop your ear, it can do a very good job. But anyway, this tool can be used for many other purposes, not just I was charging this thing. I'm pretty sure it's fully charged now. You can actually see on this device right here, it says fully charged. Where my video was taken like several minutes, like 30 minutes maybe. Anyway, this is your device. It's easy to turn off. I would strongly suggest to try it at least. The link will be in description for the company that manufactures this tool, as well as for what am I jigging? As well as for this item. I'll probably start the bid from this item, maybe 99 cents. with search and or shipping. See if anyone can win this for 99 cents. Thanks so much. Thank you, sponsor. Again, sponsors Argo Well. Very nice wireless tools. Wireless device. Turn off. There you go. Let's see if we can see camera. Color of the camera. Yes. Can't really see it, but it's right there, the red color. Whatever diamond is. Yeah, that's the camera. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.